Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for the theme of the month or general messages for the month of July. And as you know, they are all general readings, so they will be applicable for all the 12 signs. Okay, so let's see what's there in the month of July. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for the theme of the month. Okay. So what I see here is that the month is starting in a very emotionally fulfilling and a content manner. Things are the general energy over here is that of emotional fulfillment and contentment. But what I'm feeling here is that there is, though everything is fine, still there seem to be some loopholes in that contentment, or maybe you want something more. Can be that, though you have everything, but still that desire perhaps of having something more, or maybe it is pointing towards the struggles which you have undergone. Every emotional fulfillment has certain sort of a lacuna to it, or the effort it was required to build that cup up, sort of. Okay, so it basically what I feel is it is talking about everything has a nostalgic moment to it, and there was everything which you have built up or had built up has a story to tell. Okay, everything has a story to tell. So behind every emotional fulfillment or whatever fulfillment it is for you, there is a strong story or a important story behind everything which you have achieved. Nothing came easy, it's sort of that. But now you are definitely feeling content and happy, as you have achieved a certain level. Okay, you have achieved a certain level, and you have uh, so yeah, definitely there is some sort of you have what you have. Most of the people are seem to be emotionally content, though they do obviously have a story to tell. There are hardships behind it, but there is some sort of achievement which has occurred over here. So there is some sort of a promotion, or there is some sort of authority is there. Okay, maybe that is the work you have done of emotional maybe you've done that emotional work on yourself, the inner work on yourself, and now you feel content. It can be that also. And maybe that work, maybe that was in the lockdown. You have you have done that work on yourself, and that is what it talks about. It can be that also, because it is definitely uplifting you in some way, shape or form. It can be actually in the society, or it can be the way you feel about yourself. Okay, and it's something talking about charity. It's coming off as charity, as to now you feel the need to help others, trying to balance the things, as to giving back to the society what you've got in whatever way you can. Okay, trying to balance the scales, trying to definitely some sort of either justice is being served to you, or maybe whatever has happened, because you've worked very hard and whatever you've achieved, and you feel satisfied and justified as to, yeah, this is what I deserve, something like that. But definitely some of you are trying to balance the karmic scales by giving back to the society whatever you have achieved or earned in whatever way you can. Okay, also what I see here is that there is some sort of confusion also going on, perhaps towards the end of the month. Either you have many choices or you have many ideas in your mind, and you want to move towards something. You have or you want to make a clear choice, or you're struggling to make a clear choice. That's what I feel. There is some sort of anxiety, some sort of struggle going on towards the end of the month, and that struggle seems to be as to which path to take, or what to listen to, and what to follow ahead. It's something like that, because here with the nine of spades there is a lot of anxiety. With the seven of wands there is a lot of struggle going on by the end of the month, whatever this struggle will be. But you need to be in touch with your intuition, because it is your intuition which will be guiding you on the right path. And what I see is this struggle is about the choices you have to make at the end of the month. There are definitely some sort of choices which you need to make. Now these choices can be actually in your life, or maybe there is a decision which needs to be made, or maybe you need to just take a correct path. Whatever it is, definitely there are some sort of choices which will be needed to be made, and you want to make one and move towards it. And I think that is the conflict which is all about, and the anxiety as to what to choose. It's coming off like that. So let's see what the month ahead has in store for us. Okay, so that's all about the general readings, or the third theme of the month. We'll now move on to the zodiac signs. Okay, thank you. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps.